Yeah, do you want to put it on? Do you want to put it on now?
No.
No. Oh, wow, can you look at that though? You'll be really snuggly in that, won't you?
Yeah. Put our lunch in the big bag.
What do you say to Granny?
Thank you. That's a lot in that.
Well, because you've got a lot of presents. Oh, look, another one of Stuart and Sally and Paul.